Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts and this is Make Money with Video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to create printables which you can sell on Etsy or you can bundle together and sell on places like Fiverr, Facebook, or even make a book out of it and sell it on Amazon KDP. But today we're going to concentrate on the actual printables which I sell over on Etsy. So if you're new here, welcome. And my channel basically is how to make money using video on different social medias. Plus, I do Amazon KDP and I do Etsy. Feel free to come and check these videos out. It's a small channel, so I appreciate any support. But without further ado, let's get into this, guys. So start off on Etsy, on Canva, and I've got this template where I'm going to be using. I will show you where I got this from in a little bit. Now, what I do, I keep this as it is, then I create another page. Yeah, so I've got like this page here, and I've got this background. I found this background on the elements section, and I just basically cover the page. Put it like that, straight down. And that's going to be our background. Then I come back up here, and I get one of these like plain squares. And I just do this so I can get like the dimensions. Yeah. Then I'll copy it, scroll into this one, and I'll paste it. And there you go. But then I'm going to change the color to white. Yeah. So then we've got that's the basic cover. Yeah. Then get rid of this. And as you see, we've got this little box here. This is where I'm going to put a character. So I'm going to look for maybe a snowman, yeah? What I'll do, I come up here and I click on free and static, so I don't want to be using these. You can go off to places like Pixabay. In fact, it might be a bit awkward because they've got, we'll use this one, yeah? This is a freebie one. Scrolling right down. If you want to use this to zoom in a little bit, you can do. And we'll make them a bit, yeah, so that's about right, guys. Then all I'm doing is coming down here, I'll press paste again, and there, he's sat nicely there. So zoom back out. So that's what we're going to do. So then what I'll do, I download this, and just you're going to want the one page, which is page 2, this one, yeah. So download that. That's what we're going to use. And if I wanted to make other ones of these, come over here, type in Christmas background is what I put in last time. Come up here, click on the static and free, apply that. And you can get any of these if you want that one. You can just go over it like that and it'll change like that. Yeah. Maybe this one with the Christmas lights, hopefully it'll look good. No, I mean, it's all right. It's not the best, is it? And then this one. Yeah, so you see what I'm doing. I'm just slowly dragging it to about here, and then it automatically clicks into place. Show you one more. Yeah, so you can make as many as you want. You don't have to have this as white, but I'll show you in a minute why it's probably better. Now, I come over to here, and this is called Crispy Prints. I bought this yesterday. It shows you all different ways to how you can do it, how you can get traffic, how you can... yeah, anyway, I'm not here for this, but I'll come over here, and this is called the Xmas Bundle. I'll click on this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload, let me come out of this, I upload the image, which is this, what I've just, yeah, and it's got the image there, hopefully, yep. Choose your header color, so if you want a title, what we'll do, we'll have it blue. It's like ice, isn't it? Yeah, it's like snow and that. Yeah, so just have it as that, select that. Then you got all these different games. There's 14 different games. So you can click one if you want. But what I do, I clicked all 14. Then I click Create Bundle. Now I'll wait for this. You don't click off this, so you don't press back or close the tab. You keep it open like this. Then within about a minute or so, it will create all these 14 different games with your background on. And I'm going to show you. I will put a link for this if you want to come and check it out. I'll show you where you get it from. I'm just going to show you this. It's called Crispy Print. And yeah, and look, this is a platform called Warrior Plus. It's a marketplace for where people sell things, yeah. And if you look, it is number one. I'll press refresh so you can see. In my look, it probably changed. But look, no, it's still there, yeah. And so yeah, feel free to come and check it out. Let's quick have a look on Etsy. So I've typed in Christmas printable games, well, printable game. If you look, they're getting 3,600 searches a month. Yeah. So if I want to add to that for Christmas printable game for kids, you're getting 210. So that's probably a better keyword to search for rank for. Yeah. But if you look, they're making all these different games bundle here. You've got 8 here on this one, so you've got 14. They're going to like yours better in it. On this one, they've got 6 games in one. You've got 14. And you just want to have a look, and then you can copy some of the. See, they've got 12. You've got 14. See, people are going to come to yours because you've got more games. You're offering a better value for money. This one's got 13. You're still in the lead. So, yeah. And this is what you do. You just come here, you get some titles what are doing well. Now look, they're selling nerds for £10.63 and they've sold 1,360. Yeah, you want to do the maths, feel free. Yeah, this one's £7.76. They've sold 237, and they're getting sold, guys. Like as you can see, 210 for kids, 3,600 searches a month. You've got yours on here. I'm going to show you the quality of the games in a minute. Let's go back to this. It'll probably open up in a minute. Well, hopefully a couple of seconds. And you don't have to just do Christmas, guys. You can do whatever you want. Baby shower. You can do. I'll show you a quick look at the games in a minute. This is, as you can see here, it's loading. Oh, here he is. It'll open up in a PDF. So what I'll do, I'm just going to shrink this a little bit so we can see a lot of it on the screen. So here's the game. So here's our background we've made. Yeah, here's our little snowman, and it's made this game, Christmas Would You Rather. It says it all here. Then there's a Merry Christmas ABCs. Yeah, with our little thing on. Then roll to decorate this Christmas tree. Yeah, so you roll a die and decorate it. Then you got all these different games, guys. Yeah, Holly I've Never, Christmas Word Scramble, Colour Santa's Beard. Yeah, like this one here. Our person not here because that's taken up all the room. Same with this one. And then Santa's Beard Maze. You've got a maze. This one. But on the ones what it can fit, yeah, like these. And then you've got a bit of everything here, guys. People will love this. And let me just show you something. I'll just download this. Yeah. We'll call it Snowman. Snowman Games. Save that. I'll just come off this, and what you can do as well, guys, instead of coming off it, just type in sample, and then you press that again. Or before I do that, if you want to get the answers, you can click the answers here. And I'll download them, and here are the answers. So you can send this with it. You can put this with it as well, so the customer gets the answers. Yeah, I'll just download it. I'll call it Snowman answer key. Go with our snowman. I'll come off this. Then at the sample, you click on this, and it'll do the same again. But as you know, it downloads in a PDF. If you wanted to upload them individually onto Etsy. So you get 14 games and sell it as a bundle with 14 games. But if you split it up into PNGs, you can also sell those 14 individually, giving you 15 different adverts for like sell. So people might not want all your games; they might only want one. So if you sell them all like I don't know, $2 each or £1 each, depending where you're from, you're going to make, like, if you sell 14 for $1, you're going to make like $14. Yeah, you sell that bundle as well, that's going to be whatever you put it on for. So you can make potentially make a lot more money. But you're probably thinking, well, how do you change it? Well, if you come here to a place called PDF to PNG, it's free, guys, and all you do is you upload your files. So what you do, and press upload. There's our Snowman Games. You click on that, yeah, and it does its thing here. Quite quick, isn't it? And that's it, guys. You download it. Downloads as a zip file, which all you do is double click it and extract it to whatever folder you want to go to. Totally free, guys. Simple, yeah. So let's go back to here. Hopefully it'll do it. Takes a couple of minutes. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, guys. But yeah, that's the bundle for Christmas. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to skip this. I'll show you in a minute what the actual samples look like, guys. I'm just on my I won't be a minute. I'm going to show you one of the samples. Yeah. So this is one of the other pages I've made. I made this one earlier with a brand on it, and it writes sample over it. So then you can advertise these without worrying about people copying them. Yeah. So if you right click on this and I wanted to copy this image or save this image to steal it from somebody, I'm going to have that sample written across it. Yeah. So that's a good thing, and that's all you do, guys, with this one. Is let me just come off it. Yeah. So what you do, you're writing sample there. You can write anything you want, but sample's probably better. Then you do that. You press create, and it will give you the exact same games. Yeah. As when you create. So I'm just going to show you here. Yeah. So you got like, you can always come over here and here you search for your niche keyword. Yeah. So I'll just put in Christmas printables. Yeah. Oh, Principal Games, wasn't it? Yeah. So I'll put in that search there, and it's not give us any related thing here. So if we type in Christmas games, see if it does it in that. Yeah, got more. Yeah. So you've got like Christmas games families, and all that. So you can copy all these. Let's see if there's any related. All these are related to XX. Sorry. Or we can type in printable games. It's not got any for that, so we don't have to worry. We know on Amazon, on Etsy, sorry, that people are searching for these. Yeah. Another thing, guys. So you got all these. You got this like shower bundle, so you can make games in the baby shower game, and then you got your busy books. You got your dice prints, flag banners, yeah, road trip, Xmas bundle, sticker prints, essential pages, yeah, and a lot more. He's got, and he also said as well, the guy who created it, it's called Ike Paz. This guy here, Ike Paz, yeah, come and check him out, and Yeah, so he's got videos here of showing you how to use everything. He's got case studies. He's got like how to use a Find Your Niche properly, how to do the backgrounds, yeah, your banners, your printable dice, your printable bundles, how to outsource it, Etsy published printables guide, and Pinterest. Yeah, so it's very good. It's very good, guys. And at the moment, it's on offer because it's only got released yesterday. It's on offer. So if you want to check it out and purchase it through my link, it is an affiliate link. I will get a commission, but it's no extra cost to you guys. But this video is mainly how to create printables, and if you want to create printables to sell on Etsy, this is the fastest way. So I appreciate you watching, guys, but feel free to come and check it out. Here's another video about printable games. If you want to come and check this one out, released yesterday. And yeah, guys, if you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. And thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.